Hello folks, welcome to CreateQuestionPaper.in. This is a unique platform, which helps teachers as well as students. Our overall mission is to make examination process more reliable, more value-adding, and more fulfilling to both teachers as well as students by providing best-in-class authentic resources. Today, we are going to understand how to CreateQuestionPaper.in will help you to crack the PMP certification exam. Students generally take a lot of efforts to prepare for the exam, but ultimately the result of the exam will depend on a lot of practice. We've all been there. You've spent weeks, maybe months, diving deep into all PMP books, notes, and videos. You feel ready, but then that one question hits you. Is the practice material I'm using actually reliable? Finding high-quality, up-to-date practice questions for PMP certification can be a nightmare. You often find yourself stuck with outdated PDFs, exam question dumps, or tests that just don't mirror the actual exam environment. This uncertainty is the biggest hurdle between you and your certification. But what if you could take control of your preparation? Today, I'm going to show you how to use a platform designed to take the guesswork out of your study sessions. CreateQuestionPaper.in. It's a professional tool that allows you to build custom, topic-specific practice tests that look and feel just like the real PMP exam. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of creating your perfect test and answer key. This platform provides a unique opportunity to test your preparation for the exam. On CreateQuestionPaper.in, we have created very valuable content for PMP certification exams. Let us start now. I will take you through a step-by-step procedure on how you can utilize this platform. First, navigate to the dashboard. You'll notice how intuitive the interface is. Here, you need to go to the Student Zone and click on Start Mock Test. Once you are on this page, you will see very intuitive and step-by-step drop-downs to reach your target certification exam. First, select the board or university. Here, you need to type Project Management Institute, PMI. As we know, the PMP exam is one of the exams conducted by PMI. Here you see the complete list of exams conducted by Project Management Institute. As we are interested in the PMP exam, let us select PM from the drop-down. The next step is to select the name of a specific domain from the drop-down in Subject. Here, as you proceed in your studies of the specific domain, you can select a specific topic from that domain. I am taking one topic for the demo purpose. I selected Stakeholder Management as the subject, and in the topic I selected Identifying Stakeholders and Monitoring Stakeholders. As you select the stakeholder management, in the subject, the subtopics of that specific domain will appear as a list in the space below that is in the topics or chapters. You can select a single topic, or you have an opportunity to select multiple topics as per your preparation. You can use the Control key of the keyboard to select multiple topics. Once you have selected desired topics from the list, go to the next step, which is Type of question, number of questions, and difficulty level. As you become more and more confident about your preparation and the topics, you can increase the difficulty level. This specific feature helps you to be more and more confident before your actual exam. In the question type dropdown, select multiple choice questions as a question type. You can select a number of questions which you want to answer. After this selection, as the last step to generate your practice test, click on the Generate Question Paper button. Now the platform utilizes all the information provided by you, that is, which domain, which topic, what difficulty level, and number of questions with this information. CreateQuestionPaper.in provides you the best, most reliable, and authenticated set of questions. Now you are ready to appear for the exam. This is the exact screen content which you will see in your real PMP certificate exam. On the right side of the screen, the stopwatch will always indicate you how much time you have to finish the exam. For each of the question, you have opportunity to select the right answer by clicking on the radio button for the option which you think it correct. You also see the status of questions which you have attempted, questions which you are yet to attempt. As you proceed to the next question by clicking on the next button, you observe that in the question status, the question number turns green. You can jump to any question directly by clicking on the question number. Once you are done with the exam, you can click on the Finish and Submit button. Pop-up will come, which indicates how many questions you have attempted and do you want to submit the exam. This is the exact simulation of the real PMP examination. Once you click on the OK button, you will see your performance summary, which is the exam result, which talks about how many questions you attempted and how many you did not attempt. The important thing here is not only to see the score, but also to identify the areas where you need to study more and improve your understanding. The detailed answer review table is the most valuable part, which our students find. In this section, for each of the questions you attempted, it provides you the correct answer and answer you have given. The most interesting part, and the part which will help you the most, is the last column in this table: explanation. Here you not only find the correct answer, but also the explanation, the reasoning behind the current answer. This will certainly help you to validate your conceptual understanding and exam preparation. The whole purpose of world-class certifying agencies like PMI is to help project management professionals understand concepts through their world-class study material and validate that understanding through exams and award prestigious certifications, which will help the overall industry to grow. As we all know, with the PMP certification, we establish ourselves as a most sought-after candidate in the job market by various multinational companies, and ultimately it helps candidates to grow in his career. We are more than confident that Create Question Paper will help you to be more confident before the actual exam. On this platform, you can do a lot of practice. We provide highly curated questions with answers and explanations of the answers on this platform. Over and above, you have unlimited opportunity and unlimited attempts on this platform. Your journey to earn that prestigious PMP certification is a significant investment in your career. Don't leave the final step to chance. Join thousands of other PMP certified professionals who have streamlined their success. Head over to Create Question Paper right now. Create your first practice set, master those tricky PMP modules, and go get that certification. You have done all the hard work. Now, give yourself the best tool to finish the job. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more exam preparation tips. Happy studying, and I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck!